Best deals.
1. Organizer. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use in humid bathroom environments. Wall-mounted design saves floor space while keeping towels and essentials neatly organized and within reach. 5. Multipurpose hooks, ideal for hanging towels, robes, loofahs, clothes, or bathroom accessories. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Square mop. Are designed for maximum flexibility. It easily reaches under furniture, along edges, and into corners for complete, dust-free cleaning. The scraping teeth on the bucket easily remove hair and debris from the mop, eliminating the need to clean dirt with your hands. The highly absorbent microfiber mop head efficiently captures dust, dirt, and hairs, perfect for pet owners and busy households. High-speed spinning action removes excess water quickly, allowing you to control the mop's moisture level for effective and customized cleaning. Equipped with an injection port for easy water or detergent refill, and an outlet for quick, mess-free drainage, no more handling dirty water. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Jars. Airtight seal, ensures freshness and preserves the flavor of stored items. Ideal for storing snacks, fried foods, masalas, spices, pickles, cookies, and more. Preserve dry as well as food items like pickles to keep them safe from moisture, dust, and for long-term storage. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Blender. It is useful for beating, cake creams and eggs, soup, dal, baby food, milkshake, lassi, buttermilk. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Oil dispenser. Spout mouth for easy pouring. Also comes with a plastic cap to prevent accidental spillover. Comes with borosilicate glass body with capacity markings along with stainless steel metallic finish laid. Multipurpose use for storing oil such as olive oil, mustard oil, vinegar for kitchen use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Ceramic plates. Unique bread-inspired design, shaped like a bread slice with an embossed, good day detail. These plates add a playful yet elegant touch to your table. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. The 2.5 mm thick body of the pressure cooker ensures even heating. This prevents loss of nutrients and vitamins in steam. Makes your dishes tastier by preserving the natural colors and flavors. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Supports even heat distribution and quick cooking. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scoop. Constructed with premium stainless steel, genuine heavy-duty tool that is strong and sturdy with no mechanical gimmicks or moving parts that can break. It resists rust and corrosion, maintaining its pristine condition even with frequent use. Not just limited to ice cream, this versatile scoop excels in handling butter, fruit, desserts, and more. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Container. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Container. Designed with air vents to preserve freshness and prevent moisture buildup. Ideal size for storing coriander, spices, and seasoning with ease. Stylish, sleek silver finish that enhances your kitchen's aesthetic. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Drawer. Made from high quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides. A durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 4 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space. Perfect storage drawers organizer for office drawer storage or baby things organizer storage. Includes 2 extra basket and 8 sturdy hooks to store bottles, socks, baby items, or accessories. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Frying pan. Cooks evenly as the thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly. Shatter-resistant tempered glass, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food, riveted, Stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Paper holder. Built-in sliding knife delivers clean, straight cuts in seconds. Concealed blade design improves safety, reduces waste, and makes cutting cling film, foil or baking paper quick and effortless. Stand designed to hold plastic wrap roll, aluminum foil, parchment roll, paper towel roll. Compact space-saving kitchen organizer ideal for countertop, cabinet, fridge or wall use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Teapot. Unbreakable build helps you to use this teapot without worrying about breaking it. Premium grade stainless steel construction ensures this teapot won't break easily like your glass or porcelain pots. A removable tea infuser helps you to brew your tea easily. Just drop the tea leaves in the infuser basket and let it brew. The ample 1.2-liter capacity allows you to make 4 to 5 cups of tea in one go. Custom designed pointy spout shape helps you to pour your tea very easily, and your tea will end up exactly where you want to pour it. Moreover, you will enjoy your tea mess-free and spill-free. A cool touch handle enables you to use your teapot safely. The handle stays cool even with hot tea in the pot and makes it easier to grip. Moreover, the top lid stays secure when you pour your tea. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Steamer. Perfectly sized at 20 cm with 2.0 L capacity in 2 tiers, ideal for small families or quick steaming needs. Healthy steaming, every time, retains nutrients and natural flavors while steaming idlis, momas, dumplings, vegetables, modaks, pasta, and biryani. Ensures even heat distribution, faster cooking, and guaranteed food safety with the trust of ISI standards. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Milkshakes. Crush ice, frozen fruit and nuts effortlessly with high-performance stainless steel blast blade. Perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, cold coffee, lassi in 30 seconds. This USB-C rechargeable portable blender lets you blend at the gym, office, hostel, travel, car or outdoors. Blend and drink from the same 530 ml BPA-free cup with leak-proof seep lid. Slim design fits easily in gym bags, backpacks and office desks. Comfortable carry handle plus blade and cup covers for safe storage. Ideal personal blender for busy lifestyle. Simply add water plus 1 drop of dishwashing liquid, blend for a few seconds and rinse. No scrubbing required. Enjoy fresh drinks anywhere with this portable blender that works as a powerful juicer for home use, perfect for quick juices, shakes, and healthy routines without bulky appliances. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Egg holder. With sturdy cover allows stacking for extra fridge storage space. Drawer type design, dust proof, easy to put anywhere. Bins adopted automatic roll egg design principle. After removing the front egg, the egg at the back will automatically roll up. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Toilet brush. TPR brush head and TPE material brush handle. The soft brush head will not damage the surface of the object. Good design makes it easy to clean. No annoying tangled hair. The soft brush head will not damage the surface of the glass, can be bent easily and clean all areas, even under the rim. The brush head will not easily leave stains, and will not entangle hair and other dirt, easy to remove dead spot stains. The TPE round brush grip. Comfortable and labor saving. Flat soft TPR brush head design can reach any corner. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Strainer. Designed to fit different pot and vessel sizes, the stainless steel rice drainer offers convenient draining for rice, pasta, noodles, vegetables, and grains. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer bag. Easy to fold for storage, lovely vibrant color, lightweight and lovely color variations to choose from. You certainly will never go wrong in choosing the best one. This 100% polyester material won't damage your elegant clothes. Compatible with most travel bags, luggages, suitcases, backpacks, duffel bags. Can fit in 24 to 25-inch travel luggages. These packing organizers can make it easy for you to save space in your luggage bag by classifying your belongings and keeping them from getting lost. This also makes security checks at the airport quick and convenient. The 3 laundry pouch can be used for your used clothes while the compression garment bag can be used for footwears. The new buckle design of the compression packing cube allows clothes to be stored without scattering, keeping the articles clean and reduce the clothes wrinkles and other travel damage. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kadhai works on high heat. Embrace the power of high heat without worry. This kadhai remains untarnished even under intense temperatures, ensuring your dishes turn out crisper, tastier, and more perfectly cooked than ever before. Experience the future of non-stick cooking with the ceramic kadhai. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Holder are designed to help protect your hands while handling hot cookware, baking trays, pans, and serving dishes. The heat-resistant material provides a reliable grip for everyday kitchen cooking and baking tasks. Designed with a convenient pinch grip style, these silicone mittens hot pot holder fit comfortably in your hand. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Cookpot. Made from high-quality stainless steel with triple base for efficient heat distribution, includes heat-resistant silicone handles for safe handling, 4-liter capacity with 22 cm diameter and 27 cm height, ideal for family cooking needs with multiple steaming layers. Dishwasher-safe components with see-through glass lid for easy monitoring, sturdy side handles for secure grip and transport, featuring rice strainer, idli plates, and steamer with glass lid, perfect for cooking rice, idlis, and steaming vegetables. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Toilet paper holder is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Perfect size that fits even in congested space. Additional provision has been provided to keep your mobile phone on it. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal etc. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Plates. Bring alive any casual setting with the reimagined colorful plates. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Water jug. 1800 ml jug seamlessly combines functionality with style, making it an ideal addition to any setting. This exquisitely crafted jug for water or juice enhances the aesthetic of your dining table. With a generous 1800 ml capacity, are perfect for serving larger gatherings. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Chopper. Made from quality material for longer life. Robust stainless steel blades for fine and effective chopping. Seamlessly chops all types of fruits and vegetables. Simply cut the fruits or vegetables to a medium size before placing them in the chopper and get an evenly chopped version for your salads, fruits, sabzi preparations and other cooking purposes. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Canisters. These colorful canisters are available in different sizes which fits the requirement of any modern kitchen. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Frying pan. Made of high-quality triple E material. 0% contact with aluminum and 100% PFOA free. Quick and uniform heat distribution with no hot spots for quick and healthy cooking. It doesn't need hours of scrubbing to clean and is easy to maintain. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Oil maker machine. Extracts 4 to 8 kg oil per hour from peanuts, groundnuts, sesame, almonds, mustard and more. Retains natural nutrients, aroma and taste as oil is pressed without heat damage, unlike chemically refined oils. Built with a robust 600W motor and precise digital temperature controller, giving you a consistent, high-quality oil output every batch, no guesswork, no burning. Complete stainless steel construction ensures rust-free, hygienic and long-lasting daily use in Indian kitchens. Comes with oil collection pot, stainless steel filter, strainer, heat-resistant glove, cleaning brush, spare spring, power cord and detailed user manual, everything ready to use out of the box. Features advanced cold press technology for efficient oil extraction. Maximize oil yield from seeds and nuts like sesame, sunflower, and almonds, with minimal waste. Ideal for home use, this machine ensures top quality results every time. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the oil maker offers durability and longevity. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Containers. Tall rectangular plastic food storage containers feature a secure airtight seal that keeps your food fresh for longer periods, preserving flavor and texture. Each container has a capacity of 1 liter, providing ample space for storing a variety of food items such as grains, cereals, snacks, leftovers, and more. These containers are microwave safe for convenient reheating, freezer safe for storing food for later use, and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, providing versatility and convenience for everyday use. Product link is given in the 31st link.